10 reasons why is my cat sneezing. If your cat sneezes once in a while, it's usually not a problem. But if the sneezing becomes frequent or persistent, it might indicate an issue. Here are 10 reasons why your cat might be sneezing. 1. Upper respiratory infection, common in cats, especially in shelters. Viral infections like feline herpes virus can cause sneezing. 2. Allergies. Cats can be allergic to dust, pollen, or even certain chemicals. Seasonal sneezing could point to allergies. 3. Asthma. Cats with asthma might sneeze along with wheezing or coughing, especially when exposed to irritants. 4. Foreign objects. Dust or small objects accidentally inhaled can irritate your cat's nose, causing sneezing. 5. Dental problems. Infections in a cat's teeth or gums can spread to the nasal passages, leading to sneezing. 6. Nasal polyps. Benign growths in the nasal cavity can block airflow and cause sneezing. 7. Feline viruses. These viruses weaken a cat's immune system, making them prone to respiratory issues and sneezing. 8. Irritants. Household cleaners or smoke can trigger sneezing in sensitive cats. 9. Vaccine side effects. Some cats may sneeze after receiving certain vaccines, but this usually resolves quickly. 10. Chronic rhinitis. Inflammation of the nasal passages can lead to long-term sneezing and requires management. If your cat is sneezing frequently, it's best to consult a vet for a proper diagnosis and treatment. Subscribe for more.